So, good morning and welcome to Newfoundland Gardener. This is my turnip and they bolted. So I've been getting lots of seeds and you only got to take the pod and give it a little split. Just look.
Seeds going everywhere.
Seeds falls everywhere.
Hard to see on that paper.
Won't be hard to see them with the Dundee. Watch. Look, listen to them.
Yeah.
So this is the turnip. And
A little seed in there, look.
my turnip all bolted. So someone could tell me if perhaps because they bolted, I should go for a different strand of turnip because these are obviously bolting in our weather. So should I even be seed saving these, or should I just say that they bolt? And it was an extraordinary hot summer, and I think the summer had a lot to do with the bolting process. So they all bolted and made seeds. So the best way to do it is let it rain.
This is raining there too. They're going everywhere, Bobby.
That's what we do.
Under the seeds.
There is.
See them fall. There they are, look. Seeds everywhere. Little seeds everywhere.
And this is the
And they're really hard to see, but they're all over the place.
yeah, the sad thing.
So that's turnip, Bobby.
Yeah, it was my turnip. So what do you think? In the comments below, give me some advice. Should I just reorder and try to get bolt resistant? Is there bolt resistant seeds you can buy? Did anyone have a lot of trouble with their turnip this year? Like, people got turnip to grow and we never.
No, nothing grew to you in regards to turnip or cabbage, nothing.
Everything we planted, everything like bolted.
Yeah, it's because we had them couple of weeks of really hot weather.
When you was in Spain or Italy,
Yeah.
you was over there in 40 and we was there in 37. So it was
Pretty warm.
extremely hot weather. So
I don't know anything that grew for us this year, only potato. I mean, really
potatoes
not.
done wonderful.
Yeah, really nothing really grew.
Here he comes.
Yeah, there he is, look. See him?
So no trouble to see.
I get the envelope ready, brother, now.
You
Here, look, put the envelope down. So you pull off that little peel on that side. See the little peel stick right there?
yeah.
Pulling off
Pulling off sticking.
and sticking. That's what I does. Pulling off and sticking, and then you feel the nut. And you can feel an up, see?
I tell you what, I'll take the camera and you left the seeds. No?
Okay, hold on.
You just left the seeds.
Okay, hold on there now. We'll just try to figure it out.
I never brought my tripod.
No.
No good, sissy. There you go. I'll just do the board. Fold up like a fold. Fold and tilt. There we go. That's wonderful.
Okay, there we go.
So there we go.
There's still a lot on the table too.
Yeah, you're still pick up a garden. You can still pick up a garden seeds. So that was the trooper of the turnip. So the next one is a wonderful dill. Just look at that.
I know, I can smell that deal.
Now,
Oh, there it is. They're falling there.
the
So what
dill.
do each seed look like? It's just a little small, dark turnip. Let me see.
It's a beautiful little seed.
Like mouse poop.
Yeah, I guess you would call it that, yeah. I have no idea what I'm going to do with all these seeds.
Oh, that's a lot.
But I tell you what, if I'm always granting someone some seeds for Christmas, so if you throw your address No, don't put your address in because then everyone will know your address. Throw your name in the comment box down below and tell me you'd like to have some
So this is what it looks like.
some Newfoundland Gardener seeds. And if you'd like to have some Newfoundland Gardener seeds, put your name down below and I'll you put your name down below in the comment box.
Oh, Bobby, that smells some good, don't it?
I know, it smells
Isn't that
delicious.
unbelievable how beautiful it is? So you had a lot of dill, Bobby, this year.
I did. Just look.
Yeah.
I mean, so if you're looking for some of the Newfoundland Gardener's dill seeds,
But Bobby, this is the same dill that you grew like 2 or 3 years ago, right?
yes, this is the dill that I've been. Every year I grows around 4 dill, so
Yeah.
it's the same seeds.
From way back.
Yep, and they keep replenishing and keep growing and keep making seeds. So
Oh, you got a whole lot of seeds. You got a whole lot of seeds there.
look, that's a lot of dill seeds.
Yes, sir.
So if you'd like to have some dill seeds, just say I would like to have some, and before Christmas I'll do a little envelope and I'll get a little envelope in the mail
And send out someone.
and send out to someone for just for following the channel. It's just like a little free give back from the Newfoundland Gardener. From me and Deanie.
Oh, the smell's amazing.
I know it is. It's delicious. So, like I
You
said,
use your dill on, Bobby?
use it a lot in fish.
Okay, fish, yeah.
And Cecily, my daughter, she uses it a lot in. She makes. I should get that recipe from Cecily. She makes a wonderful chip dip with fresh dill.
Oh.
And I
sounds
guarantee
good.
you, he is.
Yeah, that's a whole lot of seeds there.
Now I don't think I need all them seeds for next year.
Bobby, get your envelope again.
So if you like to have some seeds from the Newfoundland Gardener, just comment in the box, and I'll private message you after you comment if you get selected, and I'll send you some seeds for Christmas. Let's do the old switcheroo so you can dump them. Sorry, folks.
There you go.
There we go. Look at that. That is some tremendous seeds. Wow. Wow.
I tell you, there's a whole lot there for the garden.
If we saw all them, we'd have dill.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, so here's my peppers.
So this is down under Deanie's grow lights. How long you've had them up? Me and you put them up when?
Yeah, we put them up, I say about a month and a half ago.
Month and a half ago?
Yeah, we had them there, but they wouldn't this close. And this one come out new since we moved them, look. See in there?
So that's a little pepper.
Yeah, right there.
And you got two peppers there?
And my jalapenos is coming out.
Oh, that's there.
Yeah, see them?
Yeah.
There, look.
And 2 little peppers there.
Yeah. And I got a little orange jalapeno over there. Seeing?
Yeah. And look for onions.
And
Look.
my onions has gone crazy since we moved the lights down.
Onions
And I
doing
got my
good.
geraniums, they're still blooming, and my geraniums over there still blooming. So everything is growing good. Peppers seems like they loves it. Oh, this is new, look.
Yeah, all
And
new
you can
growing.
see all in there everywhere, look, little new.
Nodules.
Yeah.
And you got I brought over
Is it parsley?
parsley.
Yeah.
Give her, yeah.
And you can see he growing, sure, since you brought it over.
It is, yeah.
So everything is growing really, really good down here. And even though it's cold down here in this basement, 2 little peppers.
Yeah, but it's cold, but it's not that cold, and the lights is doing wonderful.
And you got to remember, folks, that if you're planting peppers, you're looking at 5 years that plant is good for. He's a perennial.
Yeah,
So bring it inside.
right?
Yes. And jalapeno, bring it inside. Now this pepper here, he's not real healthy looking, but he's getting a baby on him. Right there.
He is, yeah.
So,
So the onions done some good, though.
oh, the onions are just, they're loving it there since we put them on the lights.
Right?
Yeah. And me plants and me flowers just gone crazy there. See them? Orange and
It is. They're
pink.
beautiful. And
Yeah.
is that a little hot pepper?
that's me geranium. Just a little hot pepper there. This one here looks like he's dried
So
up.
you skinned the
Look.
plant out and he's starting to grow.
Yeah, he's growing another one there too. Look, looks like.
Yeah.
Yeah. So all this.
But look at the onions. I mean, they keep you going, don't they?
Oh yes, they're going crazy. They weren't very big. Me and you put them in there.
No. These cut them now, harvest them.
Yeah. Yeah. So.
Anyway, so this is Doreen up under Doreen's green light. Grow lights down her basement. So.
Yeah. Not much there, but still.
No.
I'm getting some peppers out of it.
Yeah, there you go. Anyway, from Bob and Dean in the Newfoundland Gardener.
Keep growing on the rock, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.